Hey everyone, I'm Shannon, a staff writer for Finder, and today we're going to show you how to execute a day trade on Robinhood. But first, let's take a look at some of the day trading tools that Robinhood offers and what you need to get started. While it's possible to day trade on Robinhood, it's probably not a good idea. It lacks a comprehensive stock screener and advanced charting tools and indicators, which professional day traders need to make well-informed trading decisions. If you still want to give it a try, you can day trade on Robinhood by holding a cash account or by having at least $25,000 in equity in your Robinhood Instant or Gold account. Before you start trading, you'll want to familiarize yourself with the day trading tools that Robinhood offers. Robinhood's stock screener can be used to filter and sort stocks available for purchase by a few different metrics. In this example, we look at stocks in the oil and gas sector. You can narrow your options by price, price range, market cap, and more. For comparison, let's take a look at the stock screener from Robinhood's competitor, Webull. As you can see, Webull's stock screener is far more comprehensive. You can filter results by sector, region, or exchange, and apply sophisticated technical and financial indicators with key stats and quick charts displayed along the right side of the page. In addition to screeners, charting tools are also important for day traders. Robinhood's charting tools are rudimentary at best and are not sufficient for day trading. Here's how they work. To access Robinhood's charting tools, click on the name of the stock. For a closer look at its chart, click Expand. The drop-down menu on the right lets you select the type of drawing you'd like to see. And on the left, you can click Add Data to apply one of 4 available indicators. The default setting for Robinhood's charts is set to 1 day, but you can also opt to view the stock's data by week, month, quarter, or year, up to a maximum of 5 years. Let's return to the Webull platform for comparison. At first glance, we see just how much more data Webull's charting tools offer. There are 8 drawing tools available, including line, area, candle, and bar charts. Webull also offers 50 different charting indicators, with the option to create customized indicator sets to help expedite stock analysis. Finally, let's take a look at how Robinhood compares to thinkorswim, one of the most advanced platforms on the market. Its charts are a good indicator of what an advanced trader needs to confidently perform day trades. Stock data on thinkorswim's charts can be viewed in parallel by different time metrics for comparison. Bar, candle, line, and area chart types are available, with an additional 4 chart modes for investors to modify the way stock data is represented. Chart settings can be further customized by order type, price, time frame, and appearance, with specialized options for derivatives charts. thinkorswim's indicator library, split between studies and strategies, includes over 300 indicators for detailed and in-depth analysis of various securities. Since Robinhood's research and analysis tools are so limited, you're best off conducting your research outside of Robinhood on a third-party platform like TradingView, MetaStock, or NinjaTrader. Each of these platforms is equipped with comprehensive stock screening and charting software to help you identify key stocks to trade. If you're determined to trade on Robinhood, you could conduct your research on one of these third-party platforms and use Robinhood exclusively to execute trades. Once you find the stock you want to buy on Robinhood, enter how many shares you'd like to purchase and click Buy. And when you're ready to sell, go to that stock's page and click Sell. You can read the full review of Robinhood or compare other brokerage account options on Finder.com. And if you like this video, hit the subscribe button so you'll know when new Finder videos drop.